We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. My name is Anthony. Today we're going to talk about eBay. We're going to talk about buying on eBay. We're going to talk about selling on eBay. And we're going to talk about some idiots that make us all look bad. All right, so this is going to be a little bit of a rant type video. I'm in the process of working with a seller who really sucks at selling on eBay. So here's what happened, guys. I do a lot of midnight sniping on eBay. I go through and I try to find cards that are undervalued from sellers who don't know good enough not to have stuff end in the middle of the night. So I go in there and I find these listings of cards that are ending in the middle of the night, and I'll go through, I'll buy them, and obviously most of them have shipping on top. So normally if they're shipping, after I buy a card that's at a good value and I see that it's a seller that sells other cards, I'll oftentimes go through their store just so I can get a better deal on shipping. And as an eBay seller myself, I know how awesome it is anytime you get a multi-quantity order. So I always try to be nice. I always try to support other sellers. And anytime I can, if I'm already paying shipping and they have cards at a good price that I'm looking to buy anyway, I'll normally go through and I'll buy several. So this is what I did. I came across a John Stockton rookie card, which, you know, John Stockton's a guy I think is very undervalued. It was a card that I was planning to send into PSA, get graded for my personal collection. And I looked through his store and I noticed that he had some very low tier Steelers and Cavalier cards. So, you know, I PC the Steelers and I PC the Cavs, which means personally collect. So I just went through, I grabbed a couple lower end cards there. And then I messaged the seller like, hey man, I just bought the Stockton off of you. I've paid already. Can you combine the shipping with these and ship them out with the Stockton? And he's like, yeah, I can ship them all together. No big deal. He goes, I don't know how to do invoicing or anything like that. So do me a favor, just go ahead and buy everything and I'll just refund you to PayPal. And I told him, I was like, dude, I'm not really on PayPal. I'm doing the whole managed payments thing right now. But if you can refund me the shipping afterwards, I'm cool with that. I'll go ahead. I will purchase all 5 of these cards from you right now at full price, expecting you to only charge me shipping one time. So essentially what happened was I was charged shipping 5 times. And then I went in and I actually even looked it up because I'm thinking, all right, I'm an eBay seller. Let me make this easy on the guy and I'll teach him how to invoice and blah, blah, blah. So I'll see if there's a way I can request him to invoice me. So I went into eBay and I was fiddling with the functions, and there's a way where you can actually request a total from a buyer if you've bought multiple items from them. So I went in there to do that, and I got a little error message when I submitted it saying that this seller does not offer combined shipping. So that right there for me was kind of like a red flag. So I messaged him again, like, hey man, this is the, information I'm getting. I know you said that you'll just refund it. I just figured if I could show you how to do this, it would make your life selling on eBay easier, and it would make it easier to where we didn't have to do 2 transactions and all that stuff. So finally, he's just like, dude, just send it through. I'll refund you, blah, blah, blah. So I went and I paid for all 5 of the orders, paid shipping all 5 of the times, paid an additional 19 something in shipping. There were 5 cards, couldn't weigh more than 6 ounces tops. That's in a piece of cardboard. That's in a bubble mailer. Can't be more than 6 ounces tops. I send stuff like this every day, guys. So I know this stuff like the back of my hand. So I'm telling him all of this information, right? So then finally all of that stuff goes through, and it's the middle of the night. I'm not expecting to get back to him to get back to me that night. I'm expecting to hear from him the next day. So the next day comes and I'm going through my stuff and I'm just looking through some messages on eBay. And I said, oh, well, this guy never got back to me to let me know that it was coming. So I messaged him and I was like, hey, did you have a chance to send me back the refund on that shipping yet? And he goes, well, yeah, just wait for your cards to come. And then once your cards come, then we can talk about the shipping and everything. And I'm like, that makes no sense. Now, why am I waiting on the cards to arrive before you'll do anything with the shipping? I literally just said to him, like, look, man, like, I understand where you're coming from. You don't fully understand the platform, but I'm taking upon myself to tell you exactly how to go about doing what you need to do to take care of me here. And not only am I doing that, but I feel like I've gone out of my way to try to do you a solid by doing a multi-quantity order when really I was just buying for the one card. But as a fellow eBay seller, I thought I would do you a solid and get multiple things. Now, I said, if that's a problem, I'm more than happy to just buy the one item and not get the other cards if you're going to charge me, another $4 to $5 shipping per card, and then he basically just came back at me like, oh, big timer, you think you know it all, take it up with eBay. I'm like, are you serious, bro? I did go in and submit a refund or a return on every single transaction I had with this guy. He did go in on his end and deny every single return. So this guy's going to try to get not only the money for the cards, but he's going to try to get that extra $25 in shipping fees. So here's the thing, guys. When it comes down to it, if you sell on eBay for a living, or you even just sell on eBay, and somebody's willing to buy multiple items for you and help you get multiple sales, don't milk them for everything they're worth. If somebody's willing to spend their hard-earned money with you and they're willing to add on to the order, work with them. You know what I mean? Charge them what it actually costs to ship out the item. If you want, charge an extra $1.50 for supplies or whatnot. I would totally understand. I'd be totally cool with paying this guy $5. You know what I mean? To ship all 5 cards, $1 a piece. That's fine. It's not going to cost him more than $4 to ship it nationwide. I know this because I do it every day of my life. But I'd be willing to give him $5 for it. But $25, like really? Most of these cards I got were like dollar cards. You know what I mean? So I'm going to pay $25 for a Benny Snell? Like, are you kidding me? Like, no, I'm not paying you $25 to send me a Benny Snell card. You must be smoking crack or some form of hallucinogenic drugs if you think that is going to happen. So, and again, guys, I know this is a little ranty, so this is just something I'm really irritated with. And this guy really has not done anything in regards to trying to help me. He's been cocky about it. He's been a jerk. I would highly suggest never buying from this guy. Let me go into my eBay and I'll give you this guy's name and everything, so that way you don't buy from his eBay store. Lore Pugley 0 is this guy. Based in the United States. He's been on since August 1st, 2019. He does have 3 negatives. Let's see what his negatives say here. Was sold as unlocked, but it's not, needed eBay for refund. So clearly this guy wasn't willing to help this person with a refund either. Ben Simmons, Hoops rookie card, keeps canceling my orders. So he's probably one of them guys that sells a card whenever it goes up and then cancels it. And let's see, cancels my order because he didn't want to ship it. Okay, so clearly this guy's a moron. So hopefully, I haven't left any feedback yet. I definitely would love to be 5 more negatives on this guy's resume, but to be honest with you here, I don't know if I'll be able to, because eBay will probably step in and they'll probably just eat the $25 shipping or whatever, or cancel the order or something like that. But yeah, definitely don't buy from this guy. If you sell on eBay, don't be like this guy. If you buy on eBay, don't buy from this guy. I feel like I was taken advantage of on there. This guy's trying to keep every penny he can when I was just trying to go out of my way to do him a solid. I appreciate you watching this, guys. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you've ever experienced this kind of stuff. But here's the big thing, guys, that really chaps my butt. eBay has 0 people in their customer care right now. 0 people you can actually talk to. So for him to say take it up with eBay, he knows I'm not going to get anywhere with eBay, because there's no one to talk to. So unless you're like me and you're going to actually go through the hoops to open a case and actually deal with it, this guy's going to get over on you every single time. So guys, I'm telling you right now, don't let people like this win. Go through the hoops. eBay will at least look into it. I've opened cases. I've started the bar rolling with returns. Even though he's going to deny them, even though he's going to try to block it on his end, I'm trying not to give him any satisfaction, guys. I don't want this guy to get 1 cent from me. So I'm going to do everything I can to reverse these transactions. And thank you so much for watching. May God bless you and take it easy.